Hello, my name is Alican Aydeniz. I'm responsible for product marketing of digital signage products. My company is KocSistem, which is a system integrator in Turkey. Our brand is named as Pixage. Now we want to talk you about some new smart signage solutions. Now we have here a demonstration. This is a personalized advertising application supported by our digital signage software. Here, the webcam is tracking me, my gender, my age, and my mood. Now I look a little bit sad, and downstairs, according to my gender, age, and mood, a content is triggered accordingly. Now, if another gender is coming, for example, it should be, yes, tracked as female and younger than me and with happy mood. So that was the personalized advertising. Uh, Now, please visit our website, which is www.pixage.com.tr. Please have a look at this website. You will see other reference and use cases. Thank you very much for listening.